constant in pop culture to talk to the audience about the future, stories of fantasy or science fiction, from Maria Metropolis protagonists in 1927 to the electro-funk in the 1980s or musicians who have played elegant automatons. A robot's footprint is long and fond. Mental image galleries aside, a robot is a programmable machine capable of carrying out tasks in its own and substitute human beings in some hard, repetitive, or dangerous work. It can be equipped with sensors allowing it to adapt to new situations. The word robot comes from the Czech word robota, which means servant or forced labor. The English translation of the word later became the term we use now. Pop culture, fueled by a number of TV series, movies, and of course literature, writes about robots not only stealing our identity, but are present as an evil threat that could impersonate us. In reality, robots are far from being our enemies. On the contrary, they were created by us to aid in industry's activities and many tasks of human life. But how did the whole robot thing begin? Robotics came from the engineering, combining disciplines mechatronics, mechanics, electrical and electronics, computer science, and design. As we now know it, robotics has its origins thousands of years ago, when robots were called automatons. Machines created with the wish of creating artificial life to carry out heavy, hard, and repetitive tasks. Those pioneer robots used brute force to move. They were rudimentary tools that imitate body parts to facilitate work. In ancient Egypt, priests would incorporate mechanical arms to their daily statues, which when operated, they would suggest the movement corresponding to their gods' orders. During the 16th and 17th century, dolls with similar features to modern robots were made in Europe, and during the Industrial Revolution, artifacts like the spinning wheel were created, accelerating textile production. In the 1950s, technological development included the powerful electronic computers, control systems, power transmission through gears, and sensor technology, which has contributed to expand an automaton's mechanism so it can achieve more specific tasks inside the industry. Humanoid or simply machines imitating human actions, all robots aid in one need in particular: to either replace human or accelerate production. These modern automatons have become a valuable resource for the development of many human activities, the industries above all. Robots with servo mechanisms will use sensors to locate the position of a mechanical arm to execute an order or a specific activity, others called point-to-point robots, which through programming execute actions step by step, with sensory capabilities, optical sensors, encoders, etc. And there are industrial robots, which emerge from the union of an articulated mechanical structure and an electronic control system, which are integrated to a computer to be programmed. They have motion control and a word sequence memory, much like the popular mechanical arms. Seemingly, robots have a bright future. Advances in robotics associated directly with the computer engineering. The tendency is to achieve robots with sensory capabilities, a development memory, and a quick response to the information. None-of-sense innovative efforts will replace us as a species, for these technologies have been created to improve our lifestyle. We have a long way before we see beings being moved by computers, imitating human actions and looking like us. But the world will be populated by these beings, which could, according to some, reach the sentient state. Robots came to be thanks to the ingenuity and work of scientists to aid in hard work. They will never be our enemies nor replace life in any way. They are allies to continue improvement of our existence on Earth. We invite you to follow the robot's lead as well as all our movements and stories. Discover, share, and comment here on Vitamina C.